Welcome back to the channel, guys. Apologies for a little bit of background noise today. However, I had to bring you this urgent Solana video. I'm at the airport, I missed my flight, and it's just as well because something in the chart has actually signaled to me that I need to make this video to you. It's a bit of a warning, but also, in my opinion, a very, very good opportunity. So I was looking at this tweet as well, and all credit, by the way, to this gentleman, Alex Valetis. I think that's how you pronounce his name. I agreed wholeheartedly with this tweet, so I wanted to bring this to you, and then I'm going to go into the technicals of what we're seeing with Solana right now. We have seen about a 95% drop from the high. I believe a very good opportunity. But anyway, this was 4 reasons why Solana could bounce back. Now, Solana still has a large treasury, we know. There may also be opportunities for them to scale back spending. Remember, guys, we're very early in this crypto winter as well, at least most analysts believe anyway. Solana also has a very strong developer community. In fact, just earlier in the year, they had a hackathon breakpoint in Portugal. In some further reading, and again, for you Solana fans, you'll know Solana has a thriving NFT ecosystem. Even after the dip, Solana remains the second largest NFT ecosystem. You can see it here just after Ethereum. So in terms of their strength as an ecosystem, nothing has changed. They have a very high network activity, obviously with the Phantom wallet. They've had partnerships with Instagram, of course, Facebook, and they've been in partnerships with StepIn, for example. So some very interesting things to come. Alex Valetis here says, the final take on Solana, the reality is that we're early in the innings of crypto. And of course, it would be a mistake to write Solana off at this point, and I have to agree. So let's look at the technicals here. By the way, quick smash of the like if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed for future videos, have the bell turned on, don't miss a video. I also talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is a bit of a one-off with Solana, but it's a trade that I'm entering right now. By the way, if you want to enter a trade, I have links in the video description for BYBIT down below. I have up to $30,000, guys, in bonuses. When you click this link, and I'm sorry guys to interrupt the video, but just to let you know, if you're not already trading on BYBIT, it's a great platform, and you can get $30,000 in bonuses with my link at the moment. If you already a BYBIT user, just copy this link and put it into an incognito tab when you register. That way it will assure that you're going to get that bonus. Very important. So let's look at the technicals here for Solana. What we're currently seeing is this consolidating range. Of course, you also have a bear flag target. So the bear flag actually gives us, and this is the bear target, we have to be realistic, guys. We could be seeing, if we break to the downside, we could still see a huge move here. In terms of percentage, it's absolutely astronomical. 66%, and it could take us down to around $5. It's possible. Unlikely, I believe. However, if we look at the bullish scenario, because obviously this is a bearish pattern, but the key thing is here, and this is really interesting, if I show you on the daily chart, if I zoom out a bit further and bring in some trend lines, you can see that we are tracking this descending broadening wedge. Now, with regard to the broadening wedge, in addition, you also have some weekly levels, and the scary thing is, and in fact it's probably better if I show you on the weekly chart, the scary thing is you don't have any traded volume until you actually get down to about $3.74. If you look at this indicator here, which is our traded volume, you can see quite clearly that the next real support, if you like, takes us down to about $2.80 to about $3.70. So basically, if we break these levels, the daily levels, which I'm going to show you here, these are the only areas where we actually have support. And in the scenario where we are now, where we've dropped in terms of percentage, we're down about 96, 95%. So an absolutely huge opportunity. Of course, there's a chance that Solana may be dead. It may go to zero. In my opinion, unlikely, but if there was ever a time to start entering into Solana, now is the time. Of course, guys, on BYBIT, you can trade Solana under USDT contracts. You simply go USDT, and you can select it from the coins here on the side, Solana. It's one of the few platforms that actually allows you to trade Sol, and of course, up to $30,000 bonus there as well. So beyond that, beyond the daily levels and the weekly levels, this is basically an area where we need to find support. You actually do have a head and shoulders pattern, a shoulder, a head, another shoulder, and the target out of that, this is another bearish scenario, which of course we have broken to the downside out of, and we could expect prices down to $3. Basically, guys, my key message here is great buying opportunity, but be prepared to dollar cost average into this lower if need be. I don't think Solana's dead. It might take a couple of years to recover, but I think a great opportunity to buy and trade Solana right now. If you want to trade it on the short term, on the short time frame, this is the trade that I would be looking at. You can see if we measure, do a measured move of this triangle, if we break to the upside, you can expect somewhere in the region of $22. It's a big target, because if you measure it, you're looking about a 67% move. Whether we break up or down, it's about a 65 to 70% move. On if you even use a little bit of leverage, you don't even need leverage, you can make huge gains there, guys. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you agree. Leave a like. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.